Looks like you're having fun there.
Oh, it's like. Okay, I got it.
Are you doing your Chung invitation again?
Hey man, I got a hold of this, man.
As long as you're not smoking weed, we're fine.
Let's try a wider one.
Are you going to cut it down the middle? Make it a little easier on you?
Cut it down here, you mean? Or down here?
Vertical.
Well, I'd rather keep following the same pattern I got.
Okay.
I don't want it to skip off that if I can help it, but I want to get a wider bit here. Let's see. It's a good thing I taped the Allen wrench right on this.
Yeah.
You don't have to look for it.
Hey, you didn't know you were famous, did you?
Oh boy.
Yeah, Fabian asked if we had mice. I said I hadn't seen any for 7 months.
Yeah. Them little pellets really work.
Well, not only that, so the recipe is 1 box of Jiffy Mix,
Oh yeah. They explode.
equal amount of baking soda,
Yep.
and add a 1/4 cup more sugar to it.
Yep.
And I found one exploded outside the house.
It's like Alka-Seltzer. We
Yeah.
used to feed to the seagulls.
Plastic.
There's one.
1 down, 2 more to go.
Yep.
Yeah, we have to be very careful not to go too deep like you did.
Yeah, it's shallow here, but it's kind of hard to tell where you're,
Yeah,
you know, how deep you're going.
yeah,
That's not going to hurt anything. This is where it's going to keep it
yeah. That's where the
from
screw.
going in too far. So,
Yeah, but that's some hard ass shit.
well, that's all composite. It's part paper, part plastic, part glue, sawdust. Might as well throw a couple other things in there. They won't tell us what it is.
True. Probably epoxy.
Oh yeah, that too.
Alrighty.